Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue the rest part of this lesson. Lesson 2, Windows 10 operating system. Video number 6. Students, this is your revision video with example. So students, listen very carefully. Now students, immediately open your book, page number 27 of lesson 2, Windows 10 operating system. The topic, revision with example. This is your revision video with example. Video number 6. Now students, ready? Okay. Students, in previous video, we are studied about taskbar. What is taskbar? Where you can see about taskbar. This is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. Where you can see at the bottom of the desktop, long horizontal bar. It has start button, Cortana search box, task view icon, open program icons and talk. In previous video we are also studied about start button and Cortana search box. Today I am going to explain task view icon. After Cortana search box, task view icon. About start button and Cortana search box, students you know very well. In previous video, we are studied about start button and Cortana search box. Now, task view icon. Click on this icon to see and move within all opened apps. Click on this icon. Where? On task view icon. Task view icon. Here, task view icon. Task view icon. You can see in your book on page number 25. Task view icon. Task view icon. Click on this icon to see and move within all open apps. In your book on page number 27 also you can hear. Task view icon. Task view icon. So students, click on this icon to see and move within all open apps. Now next, open programs icons. Open programs icons. When an app, it means application, is minimized, not maximized, minimized, it shrinks, yes, it shrinks on the taskbar in the form of an icon. You can where you can see on the taskbar. When an app is minimized, it shrinks on the taskbar in the form of an icon. You can see these apps were on the taskbar in the form of an icon. When we place the mouse pointer on the minimized icon, where on the minimized icon on the taskbar, we see a small preview of the app. You can see a small preview of the app. You can see here. You can see. Given on page number 27. When an app is minimized, what? Minimized, not maximized. Minimized, it shrinks on the taskbar in the form of an icon. When we place the mouse pointer on the minimized icon on the taskbar, we see a small preview of the app. You can see the small preview of the app here. You can see a small preview of the app. We can click on the preview of the app to reopen it. If you want, you can click here. We can click on the preview of the app to reopen it. In your book, given the example of Paint app. Next, clock. This displays the current time and date. Clock. This displays the current time and date. Where you can see the clock. On the taskbar, you can see here. On page number 25, you can see here. Start button, Cortana search box, task view icon, open program icons, and clock. You can see a clock. Time and date. You can see here. Clock. Time and date. On page number 25, you can see a taskbar. Clock. So clock, it displays the current time and date. After that, now students, you open your book, page number 28. Page number 28. Quick quiz. What? Quick quiz. Your question match the following. In your book on page number 28, here given name of the icon and their logo. This PC icon, start button, recycle bin icon, task view icon. Students, you know very well about these icons. Previously, I told you about these icons and logo. You know very well. So one side given the name of the icon and other side given the picture or logo of the icon. How can you recognize this PC icon? This PC icon, where? This PC icon. Can write it number 1. First write number 1. Start button where? You can see 2. Write number 2. Start button. Recycle bin icon where? You can see. Number 3. Next, task view icon. Task view icon where? 4. Number 4. Now you can match 2 lines. This PC icon, start button, recycle bin icon, task view icon. This PC icon, start button, recycle bin icon, task view icon. Now students, please note down in your copy if you have no book. Now student, compare from board. Now student, immediately compare from board. If you have no book, please note down in your copy. First write number here 2, 3, 4, 1. Then match through lines in your book or copy. Completed? Questions. Starting or opening an app. Starting or opening an app. Here given some steps. With the help of these steps, you can start or open an app. It means application. Step 1. Click on Start button. Where you have to click? Click on Start button. Like this, Start button. Step 2. Select the tile of the app. App means program, applications. Select the tile of the app. It means program you want to open and click on it. First, to select the tile of the app that you want to open, and after that you click on it or other options. Scroll the mouse. Scroll the mouse to search the name of the apps in the apps list. With the help of mouse, scroll the mouse to search the name of the app in the apps list and click on the app name you want to open. Here options for you. You can select anyone. Step here in step 2, two options. As you wish, you select. First option, select the tile of the app you want to open and click on it. Other option, scroll the mouse to search the name of the app in the apps list and click on the app name you want to open. Students, you can see in your book on page number 28, both options. You can see. Both options here in front of you. On page number 28, you can see. Page number 28. Both options. First option, select the tile of the app program you want to open and click on it. Another option is scroll the mouse to search the name of the app in the apps list and click on the app name you want to open. Now, one small tip on this page for you. You can also press Windows key on the keyboard to open the start menu. Here given the key like this. You can also press Windows key on the keyboard to open the start menu like this. Okay students, that's all. I will continue this topic in next video. Thank you.